It takes a lot of commitment to pass a farm operation 6 generations deep in today's economic agricultural environment. What makes this farm that we're sitting on really unique is my wife used to mow the yard here, and over several decades we finally had the opportunity to buy the farm. Right across the road is where Buffy's great-grandparents started their farm operation. So in 2022, the farm will be 100 years old. Both my wife's sister and her husband that run the farm, and another brother-in-law and sister that are involved.
My great-grandparents started the farm, and it's still standing, the place where they originally started. We're super excited about this legacy that our family can hold on to.
My wife makes the 4th generation. All of our children, they both own farms. Being a part of a community like this and serving those around us and being able to contribute to the broader world is a very important aspect of our lives. I always want to be involved in farming. But I also love business. So I think that's what's really helped me in my career at Climate and Bayer. And I want to help farmers succeed, trying to understand what their needs are, how we can create value for them. I think that's the value that I have here on this farm, is I'm able to both take learnings that I get from others as well as share things that I learn here. That's what I love about what we're doing at Climate.
John and I, we got a good relationship. If he has a question at work, he'll call me and say, hey, what's this? How would you handle this? 28 years of farming, I've learned don't ever be afraid to change.
We succeed when farmers succeed. The farm has changed through the use of technology. If you look over the last several decades, we've had more advancement in the last 3 to 5 decades than in the history of agriculture. How we are really successful is working on a common cause, being able to create new value for our customers through the investments and the innovations that we deliver. That's what it's about at Climate today. Some of the best advice I've ever been given came from my father-in-law early in my marriage. He said, a smart man with new information will change his mind, a fool never will. We have more information today than we've ever had before. And the smartest of farmers and the most innovative are utilizing that information to make better decisions on their farm. I'm John Raines. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at the Climate Corporation.